In this video, we're going to go over what we refer to on the Si6ma humidifiers as dynamic proportional control. One step above of just having proportional control, which is a great way to go. But if you find that you're in a place where the humidifier is and you really just don't need all 4 humidifier transducers going at one time, even pulsating, you could limit that to just 2 transducers firing at one time. The only thing you have to remember, and for that to happen, we need to be within the hysteresis. If we're outside of the hysteresis of your set point, all 4 transducers are going to be firing regardless. Really simple way to do it: shut the humidifier down. On the electrical side, take off the black panel and there'll be the oxboard, and that's where right next to it on the main control board you'll see dip switches. You're going to want to turn on number 8. Let's do that together. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in here now so you could start to see this humidifier, the way it's pulsating right now. We're within the hysteresis, and you could tell that they are pulsating and everything is fine, but if you want to limit that, this is the way to do it. We're going to want to turn off the humidifier at the switch and turn on dip switch number 8 with the small screwdriver. Turn the humidifier back on, and at that point, that's all you need to do. It's going to go through the sequence of events, of course. Startup, it's going to blink blue and then red and then blue again. And also your terminal is going to blink some different numbers for firmware and the size of the unit, and then it will go to normal operation. At this point, because I hope we're still in the hysteresis of the set point, one row of transducers are going to be off, the other row of transducers are going to be on. The other thing, keep in mind, if you are running this humidifier with a BAS signal or a BMS 0 to 10, 2 to 10, or even 4 to 20, this proportional dynamic mode does not work. So leave that dynamic mode off if you're running a BMS signal. So as you can see now, with that number 8 switch on, we're only firing the top row of transducers. The bottom row is not going to be firing because we're within that hysteresis of what we set. Real simple mode if you want to play around with the way the mist is displaced. There's a lot of variables that of course occur, but it's a real simple thing just to try and give it a shot if you find that may be useful for you. If you have any questions, contact your local rep, or you could always call us at 1-800-729-5192. Until next time, enjoy!